So guys, in today's Python video, we are learning about the list comparison. If you don't know what a list comparison, so in today's video, I will be cover about list comparison. So get ready for that, and please hit the like button, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I did not take a long time. So let's move to computer screen and let's learn about what are in the Python what are our path list comparison. So let's start started. So guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling about the list comparison. If you don't know what a list comparison, so in today's video, whole your concept will be clear about that. And our Python series has been Python list series has been started previously. If you don't know, so please see my previous video, so then you will be understand. Let's learn about list comparison. If you don't know what are that, so let's talk about it. List comparison offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. Let me give you one example. Based on a list of fruits, you want a new list. If you want a new list containing only the fruits with the letter A in the name, like apple and many much more. Without list comparison, you will have to write a for statement with a conditional test inside. Okay, without the list comparison, you always write a for statement. Okay. Example, let me show you one example. Like if I copy this example, when I go on the Visual Studio Code, when I make one Python file, I have already made it, and when I paste this file, save it and run it. So when I run this file, so it give me apple, banana, mango. Why it is not giving me apple, cherry, then kiwi? It is only giving me apple, banana, mango. Why? Let me tell you why. Because in the first I make a one list by the name of fruits, and in the fruits list I write like 5 figures. Like in this 5 figures, it is like apple is 1, then 2 of banana, number 3 cherry, number 4 kiwi, and number 5 is mango. And then here I might make one more list, and its name is new list. And then here I will be only write the square brackets, and then I write like here for statement, and then x in fruits I have wrote it here. And then what can I do? Here I write like if statement, then a, then I write like a, and then I write like in x. What is mean of that? Let me tell you. Here I write like a. A means like please insert the in which fruits there are A is coming. Like in the mango there is A is coming, like MA. Then in the banana the A is coming, like BANA. And in the apple there is also A is coming. That's why it's giving me the apple, then banana, then mango. Here you can see it, because in these 3 figures there are A is coming, and in these 2 figures like cherry and kiwi, in there is not A is coming. If I write like I please insert a P, so then it will only give me apple. Why? Because in the P is only coming in the apple. That's why. Like that you can do it. With list comparison, you can do all that with only one line of code. Okay, with the list comparison, you can do it with the one line of code, like that. Here you can see it. When you save it, and I should give you apple, banana, and mango. Here you can see it like that. In the one line of code, you can do it from using the list comparison. Okay, like that. The syntax. Let me give you one syntax of that. This is one syntax of that of the list comparison. Here you can see it. Let me highlight it. Okay. The return value is a new list, leaving the old list unchanged. Condition. The condition is like a filter that only accepts the item that evaluate to true. Example. Only accepts items that are not apple. Okay, like this type of one example, let me show you. Let me paste this example like here and save it, and it should give you banana, cherry, kiwi, and mango. Why it is not giving me apple? Because here I wrote remove the apple, that's why. And if I say please remove the kiwi, then it will remove the kiwi. Here you can see it, like that you can do it. The condition, if x what will happen with this condition? Let me tell you. It will return true for all elements other than apple, and then it making the new list, and it contain all fruits except apple. The condition is optional and can be omitted. Example, with no if statement. With no if statement, you can write like that. Here you can see it. With no if statement. Here you can see it. Now, iterable. What is iterable? The iterable can be any iterable object like a list, tuple, or set, or etc. Example, you can use the range function to create an iterable like that. Then using a range function to make a iterable, let me paste this, save it, and run it. So it give me 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here you can see it. Using that you can making you are making a iterable, okay, using the range function. If you write here 1000, then it gives you 1000. Here you can see, if I write 1 million, 10 million, like that, it is giving me. If I write like many zeros, let me rotate like that. When I save it, and then it gives me like that. Here you can see it. Okay, now let me erase it. 110. Okay, now our Visual Studio Code has been hanged, so let me open it again. Let me remove it, and now let me run it. Now it give me like till 10. Here you can see you can do it like that. Now same example with a condition, except that only number lower than 5, like that you can do it. If you paste it, save it, run it, should give you 1 2 3 4. Here you can see it. Expression. The expression is the current item in the iteration, but it is also the outcome which you can manipulate before it ends up like a list item in the new list. Example, if you set the values in the new list to uppercase, so you wrote like that, then your whole item will be come in the uppercase. Here you can see apple is in the uppercase, banana, cherry, kiwi, and mango. You can set an outcome, the outcome towards whatever you like this one example. Set in this example, we set all values in the new list as to hello. When I paste it, paste it, save it, and I should give you hello. Here you can see it. I will be converted into the hello. Here you can see it. Like I have told you here, like we set all values in the new list to hello. The expression can also contain condition, not like a filter, but as a way to manipulate the outcome. Example, if you return orange instead of banana, so you wrote like that. Then it give you apple, orange, cherry, and kiwi, and mango. Why it give me orange? Here in the my list I write like banana, because in the second line I make a one list by the name of new list, and then here I write like if statement X, then I write a banana, then I write like here as replace the banana with orange, then it will be replaces the banana with orange, then it give me the banana. That's why it is giving me apple, orange, cherry, kiwi, and mango. Like that you can do it very easily as. So here you can see it in today's videos of Python. I told you about the Python list comparison. I hope your concept will be clear about that. And our few videos are left of the on the Python list. Okay, so this one from the next video or tomorrow to tomorrow video, then it will be ended. Okay, so now I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our latest future videos. Okay, so now I will see you next class and next for amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.